First word, what word? Good. Next word, what word? Next word, what word? Good job. Next word, look at it carefully. What word? Next word, what word? The word is truck. What word? Spell truck. Everybody, get ready. What word? Mariani, let's go back to words. Make sure we're following along. What word? The word is located. Look at the ending. What word? Everybody spell located. Get ready. What word? Good. Let's go back to words. First, let's go ahead and add it to our goodbye list. Paying close attention, Eduardo, we're following along. Mariani, first word, what word? Next 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 word, what word? Mariani, take a seat. Eduardo, your turn. Good job. Thank you for fixing your mistake. Right there, first word, what word? Next word, what word? The word is embarrassed. Look at the ending, everybody. What word? Everybody spell embarrassed. Get ready. E. What word? What word? Say it again. Look at the word, please. Embarrassed. Good job. Let's go back to words, Eduardo. First word. Following along, Mariani. What word? What word? The word is force. What word? Spell force. What word? What word? Let's add it to our goodbye list. Those are easy words, boys and girls. Make sure we're following along, paying close attention. Let's go back. Look at the word. What word? Next word. What word? Next word. What word? Next word. What word? Next word. What word? Job. Next word. What word? Scenery. Good job. Thank you, Eduardo. Take a seat. Mariani, you're next. Okay, let's continue. First word. Look at it carefully. What word? Good job. Next word. What word? Next word. What word? Jostled. Good job. Next word. What word? Good job, Mariani. Go ahead and take a seat. Thank you. Now, let's go ahead and review our goodbye list. I will go ahead and share my screen with you. I will add you to the class. Please put me on mute and accept my invitation. Can you all see my screen? But you're seeing the lesson, right? Let me share my Word document. Can you all see my screen? Yes? Okay. Mariani, you're going first. Please put your chair in. Make sure we're tracking. Eduardo, same thing for you. Chair in. We're tracking. Look at the first word. Eduardo, you're going first. What word? Next word. What word? Next word. What word? Good job. Mariani, your turn. First word. What word? Next word. What word? Next word. What word? correct